So Goldstar Transport's been in business since 2004 and really enjoying the business that we do. It's a people business and it really is about having good people along for the ride. Currently I'm Managing Director, 216 employees currently and 123 drivers. One of my daughters works in the business full time and my wife works a couple of days a week here. But it is, a lot of these people have been with us for a long time. We've got people in the business that started with us from day one and really proud of the people that work for us. So Goldstar's operations are in Western Australia. We do visit some other states from time to time, but the majority of our operations are in WA and a large percentage of our long distance work takes us into the northwest, into the mine sites, and we find the freighter trailer is really good for that. Look, we've got a lot of freighter product, flat tops, A-trailers. Our biggest trailer after the flat tops is the Safe-T-Liner, and we're really proud that we're Freighter's biggest customer in that space. We use the MaxiTrans Safe-T-Liner for a lot of distribution centre deliveries, and we find the 22 pallet straight loads, they do a great job for us. The freighter flat top in the northwest, there's no equal. The support that we get from the team at Freighter, they've been with us right from the start and they do a really good job and they provide incredible support for us, especially over the last 12 months. 2020 was certainly a really challenging year. COVID-19 and all the extra pressures that came with that. I think in 2020 people really realised the value of the transport industry. And not just the drivers, but the schedulers, the workshop people, everybody that really supported the operations. It was really pleasing to see that we became an essential service. Just the respect that people gained through the course of that, being able to supply everything that people needed to survive and get through what was an exceptionally challenging year. The people at Freighter were a really big support to us and we really appreciate the help they give us. So obviously from starting with one truck and one freighter trailer through to where we are now with in excess of 400 pieces of equipment, the business has changed around people. That's part of the enjoyment of doing it. The biggest reward you get from this business is around people and especially giving young people an opportunity in the transport industry. We really pride ourselves on the wide range of people that we've got and also the young people that we give them their first shot in the transport business. The foundation of our business is really around good people and our plan is to become a benchmark operation in WA and we really look for Freighter's support to be able to do that.